planet Earth, and it's known for its upturned, densely packed crown that looks pretty similar to an umbrella. These trees can live for upwards of 600 years, and while they look incredible, one of their most interesting features is actually their dark red resin. Better known as dragon's blood, this resin is known for having incredible medicinal properties, as it's considered to be a cure-all for ailments such as fevers, cuts, diarrhea, ulcers, and dysentery. Yet beyond the medicinal realm, the tree has achieved widespread use as a red dye in high-end manufacturing, with this dye apparently being of such intensity and quality that it was used in the creation of legendary Stradivarius violins centuries ago. The Grafino trees. The trees of the Grafino forest in Poland have a curved shape that's confused historians for decades. The grove in question is made up of 400 pine trees, with each tree standing apart due to them having a very stark curved shape. The story goes that the trees were planted sometime between 1925 and 1930, and after a period of between 7 to 10 years, were curved. The far more likely explanation is that a group of farmers curved the trunks manually. And while many believe that this was done to help in the creation of curved furniture, spider trees. In the latter half of 2010, massive floods swept the country, managing to not only uproot the lives of about 20 million people, but also uproot the lives of the local arachnid populations. With more than a fifth of the country submerged, millions of spiders climbed into the trees to escape the rising floodwaters, and due to the long length of time they were forced to stay there, they began to spin massive webs around local trees. These webs completely cocooned the trees in spider silk, and while they led to the creation of strange, wispy-looking trees, they also had an unexpected positive side effect. This is because the large number of spiders effectively decimated the local mosquito populations, causing rates of mosquito-borne illnesses such as malaria to be very low. The rainbow eucalyptus. The rainbow variety of this tree is well known for entirely different reasons. Unlike every other tree of its species, it's the only eucalyptus that's indigenous to the northern hemisphere. Native to tropical forests of the Philippines, New Guinea, and Indonesia, these trees grow to a height of up to 75 meters, and their main claim to fame is their striped, multicolored bark, which appears in streaks of pale green, red, orange, gray, and purplish brown. However, beyond its beautifully colored bark, the tree is ironically often used to create plain white paper.